Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Nutrifresh. Today I am going to tell you all how to make mini cheesecake bites. So let's start. Firstly, I am going to chop or crush some graham crackers. I took around 200 grams of them. Once it has turned into a powder form, I am going to add in around 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter. I'm going to take it out. Now in a separate casserole dish, I'm going to place a muffin mold and add some of that biscuit mixture inside them. I'm going to pat it gently with a spoon. You can also use a bottle cap as I use it over here. Okay. Into the refrigerator it goes for about 20 minutes or so. In a separate bowl, I'm going to take around 80 grams of cream cheese. I'm going to mush it. Okay, and half cup of condensed milk, white chocolate 1/4 cup. Mix it. 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Whisk it. These cheesecake bites only take you some time to make and they are super delicious. If you exclude the time of refrigerator, it takes you around 20 minutes to make. And it's super delicious too. Okay, once the mixture is ready, I'm going to take it out from the refrigerator and pour the batter inside it. Into the refrigerator it goes for about 6 hours. After that, I'm going to take it out, pop it out from the molds. I made 4 different flavors of them. The first one was of milk chocolate, second one was of white chocolate, third one consisted both of these flavored chocolates, and it turned out absolutely gorgeous in a marble pattern. And the fourth one was in the flavor of strawberries. If you all want the recipe of strawberry sauce, I will surely make a video on it. And the chocolate that we used was melted. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you all did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification button, and obviously follow all my socials. I will give a link to them inside the description box below. Hope you all will have a great day. Bye.